coming to you from the train station in Santa Barbara, California, and I wanted to make a quick note. I just traveled from San Luis Obispo to Santa Barbara, California, and my intention was to take the AMTRAK train, but it turned out that the AMTRAK train did not run on the day I needed to run it, and the alternative was to take the AMTRAK bus with a connection from San Luis Obispo to Santa Barbara. So I wanted to tell you what that experience was like taking the AMTRAK bus. First of all, the bus itself had large, roomy seats. Nobody sat next to me the whole time. There was plenty of legroom in front of me. There was an outlet on the seat, and the seats reclined. I would say they're medium comfortable, not super comfortable. I did notice, interestingly, that there were a lot more men than women riding the bus. There were several stops between San Luis Obispo and Santa Barbara, and there were eventually some other women who boarded the train, or boarded the bus that was taking us to the train. There was also a child that boarded, and eventually 2 seniors. We passed by several of the California missions. We passed by an ostrich farm. We passed by a federal penitentiary. And of course, the last leg of the journey, we passed right along the Pacific Ocean, which was absolutely gorgeous. Just to name a few of the highlights, I thought this was kind of fun because had I taken the train as I originally intended, I never would have seen these things. So just wanted to share that. And finally, it felt really safe. I was very comfortable taking the AMTRAK bus connection.